Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you around the New England colonies, including 2 parts of Massachusetts, New Hampshire, Connecticut, and Rhode Island. I hope you enjoy.
The people of the New England region ate many different things, but they specialized in codfish, as you can see on the screen. As they traded with the southern and mid-Atlantic colonies, they gained more food. When they traded with the mid-Atlantic, they got lots of grains. With the southern, they got cotton, indigo, and tobacco. The geography of the New England region was pretty rocky, with high elevation, as you can see in this picture of the mountains, and rocky soil, not good for farming. They really relied on their codfish.
The New England colonies had very cold, harsh winters, but they had pretty mild summers. The New England colonies had many artisans, including blacksmiths, shipbuilders, and sailmakers, and a lot of others. They all did a lot to expand the economy of their colony.
The New England region were based on 2 different religious groups, including the Pilgrims, who wanted to completely get away from the Church of England, and the Puritans, who wanted to purify or reform the Church of England.
The New England colonies met at a church for a town meeting to make all their political choices and laws. There are 2 social classes of the New England colonies, rich people and poor people. The rich people had more money from getting more fish. The poor people had less money because they couldn't catch as many fish as the rich people. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you have a good day.